Hey guys, here goes a highlight from my mentoring session with David held on November 29th. David asked basically trading outside the live session, pre-market and aftermarket. And here goes the clip.
Maddie and some of the other, Natasha, I think, it seems like they're always doing really well. And I'm wondering, are some of them trading even, because I've noticed, I've gotten up early a couple of times, and so I'm on Central, right? So my early is not like your early, right?
The hour ahead, I believe, right?
And like, so like 2 hours before open, like there seems a lot of opportunities in that time. Are they trading outside of your time that you're saying, the 8:30 to 10:30 or whatever it is?
Yeah, they are. I think Natasha's on East Coast time, so she's up like 3 hours before me. So she's just trading like everyone's trading kind of their own pace and their own time. For me personally, I've kind of found like my routine and my schedule. So like I do notice that trades come up an hour, 2 hours before the live session, which is basically your time, I guess, because you're 2 hours ahead, I believe, or an hour. So yeah, I do see. So we start the live session at 6:30. I do see entries come up between 5 and 6:30. So an hour and a half before, I do see some solid entries. The only thing that you want to be careful for is that there's typically news around that time. So what happened was like I tried to trade. Well, I was trading like that for a while, and I was doing good. And then one day I didn't realize there was news and actually like lost the trade, and I didn't realize why I lost it. Later on, I noticed it was a huge news event. Typically the pre-market news will come up around like 5 o'clock, 5:30. So it's going to fall within that time period. You want to be careful not to be like in a trade during that time. So for the most part, I do see entries though. And I'm sure you've seen them. You get up in the morning and you see a couple trades come up.
Yeah, I've been demo trading and I see them. I mean, I usually have a morning routine. I haven't fully committed to getting up super early, but yeah, I mean, I just been testing it just because I want to get used to like real. So, I'm up, in the London session early, I'll wake up or I'll stay up really late and just test it just to get used to like looking at the charts because it's so, because when it's happening in the New York session, that's the one thing that's I have to get used to. It's so fast in New York, it moves so fast. It just takes me a while to kind of adjust, and I'm just really listening to you, and I'm kind of like just getting ready to like put an order in. So where the other ones move a little slower, I feel like I have more time to kind of analyze something, look at support and resistance, look at the the K2 stuff that you're doing right on my charts and stuff. So that's been helping me a lot. But I wasn't really sure if other people were trading outside the normal time they were live trading. So
yeah, if you want to trade like at night, I recommend doing it on demo first. Typically, I'll see a lot of volatility between 8 p.m. to 10 p.m. my time. That's usually where like if I was taking nighttime trades, that's where the volatility is kind of higher on my end, Pacific time. So I think you're an hour ahead.
Yeah, I think maybe. Well, I'm Central, so maybe it's an hour.
Yeah, where are we located? I can check on the time zone.
I'm in Oklahoma.